Hi there, my name's Michele Marsland of Marslands Accountants, and we specialise in landlords' accounts and the Let Property campaign especially, which is an amnesty where people can come clean to HMRC after up to 20 years, basically, of not declaring their rental income to HMRC. Now, we're currently in March 2024, and I have the Marslands Accountants, my version of the top 3 reasons why I don't think the Let Property campaign is going to be pulled this April. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, and obviously I hope that it won't be pulled because this is what we specialise in. But these are my 3 reasons why I don't think it is. Number 1, the budget never mentioned anything about pulling the Let Property campaign. To be fair, the budget often doesn't say anything anyway about what's really going on in the world, but we haven't found any evidence yet to find out that it will be pulled. So that's my number 1 reason, which is a fairly, sort of substantial reason really. But my second reason is actually in January this year, January 2024, HMRC finally updated their interest calculation for last year's tax in the Let Property campaign form. So why would they be doing that in January if they didn't think it was going to carry on? Number 3 is the alternative to the Let Property campaign for HMRC is a tax inquiry. Now, we're currently undergoing a tax inquiry on a client that's nothing to do with their Let Property campaign, but it's very time consuming for HMRC. It's very stressful for the client as well, I have to say. And so it's not a reasonable alternative to the Let Property campaign, because from their point of view, it's much more work. The Let Property campaign from HMRC's point of view is actually quite small work. They might not get the rewards that they expect from it because they haven't got the tax quite they expected from it all, but I don't think it's a way to go for them. So the other thing is, I thought actually, if you're listening to this before 5th of April 2024 and you haven't done your declaration to HMRC, I would still stress, though, actually, if you put in your DO1 form before 5th of April, you will have 90 days to get it done in. There has been no mention of the 90-day rule changing, so that can't change. But if they did decide on the 6th of April to pull the plug on the Let Property campaign, you've still then got 3 months to get yours in, because they can't suddenly not allow you to do it. We're doing them daily still at the moment. So we're still submitting DO1s. So we now know we can go into May, June time. All right. So it's not a problem if you do it now. So if you haven't done the Let Property campaign, still do it as soon as you know that you should be doing it. I know people worry that they've got too much tax to pay, but honestly, we find that most of the clients that we help have a lot less tax, if not nothing sometimes. Yeah, a third of our clients pay nothing. They have a lot less tax than they think so. In their heads, it's a very big figure, but often the reality of when we've done some decent work for them is that they don't have as much to pay. So honestly, my real honest opinion is please submit your DO1 and get registered with the Let Property campaign as soon as possible. But fingers crossed, we've all got another year to help these people. We've helped over 175 Let Property campaign landlords already do their disclosure to HMRC. So yeah, if you're one of those people thinking, oh, I should get on with it, please do. Please don't delay. The penalties are a lot higher. The stress will definitely be a lot higher if you have an inquiry. So I might, please do it now. Yeah, if you want to know more, go to our website, www.marslands.co.uk. Fill in the Get a Quote Now form. That'll give you a quote as to roughly how much our fees are going to be. You can then book an appointment to discuss this, and we can let you know what the final figure is for us helping you. We can also help you find places to raise the funds if you need to as well. That's not our job, but we know people that can do that for you. So please don't worry. Please get in touch today. Time to shine.